and welcome to Colchester Zoo. Colchester Zoo is full of some amazing animals from all around the world, and today we will be looking at some of them. Today we will be mainly focusing on the animals that are based on the continent Africa. We will be talking about the slender-tailed meerkats, African elephants, reticulated giraffes, southern white rhino, pygmy hippopotamus, red river hog and warthogs. We will also be talking about the changes in their environment and what zoos do to adapt to the animal's lifestyle. Slender-tailed meerkats are a small group of animals that belong to the mongoose family. They have physical features which help them with their day-to-day activities. These include a long thin tail which helps them balance when standing upright. Ears that could close to prevent dirt getting into their cavities, and a thin body which helps them fit through small places. Their diets include insects, small mammals, grub, snakes and eggs. Lastly, their habitats include open areas such as savannas and plains in which they can dig their burrows. And now we are at the African elephants. Let's find out some more information. African elephants are provided with large amounts of space to roam, including plenty of browse to feed on. Because they are social animals, they are kept in small herds. Because they are extremely intelligent, they must be provided with lots of environmental enrichment in the form of toys, puzzles, water hoses and training. African elephants are herbivores and eat a variety of vegetation. They mainly eat grass, flowers and wild fruits, tree leaves, tree bark. This is the same food that the zoo gives them, which means there is no change in their diet, just their environment. The southern white rhino can be found mostly in South Africa, with smaller populations found in Zimbabwe, Kenya and Namibia. In the zoo, southern white rhinos usually eat a diet of hay and special pellets that is full of the nutrients they need. Giraffes are the world's tallest land mammals. They have long necks, legs and even tongues. Giraffes in the wild eat up to 75 pounds of leaves a day. In captivity, giraffes are fed leaves, hay, fruit and vegetables, as well as specially designed giraffe food. The reticulated giraffe is a subspecies of giraffe native to Somalia, but it is found also in northern Kenya. Because they come from the continent Africa, where the environment is very warm, these zoos must ensure they adjust to their lifestyle so they are able to survive. Then we get to the pygmy hippo. Doesn't he look lovely? The pygmy hippo is one of only 2 extant species, apart from the common hippopotamus and the Nile hippopotamus. Their diet consists of herbs, broad-leaved plants, grasses, semi-aquatic plants, herbaceous shoots, forbs, sedges, ferns, as well as occasionally fallen fruits. It is rarely seen away from the rainforests and generally prefers areas like bare rivers or swamps. The warthog is a tough, sturdy animal, with males weighing 9 to 23 kilograms more than females. However, they both have sturdy pads that appear on both sides of their head. Warthogs characteristically carry their tails upright when they run, with a tuft of bristles waving like a tiny flag. When times are tough, warthogs can go up to several months without water. However, they spend most of their time grazing and wallowing in mud to relieve themselves from the constant irritation of insects. Their diet depends on what is available, but typically includes roots, grasses, berries and carrion. They will also eat small mammals, reptiles and birds. The Red River warthog is a wild member of the pig family living in South Africa, with most of its distribution in the Guinean and Congolese forest. Red river hogs are not particular about what they eat. This omnivore will consume roots, fruit, seeds, crops, grasses, nuts, insects, bird eggs, snails, reptiles, carrion and domestic animals, among other food items. Red river hogs are the smallest of the African pigs, on average growing 40 to 50 inches in length and 100 to 285 pounds. Red river hogs can live up to 22 years and can produce 3 to 6 young each year. So how did all these animals adapt to their new environment? Zoos recognised that these animals lived in completely different spaces and climates than us.
Therefore, zoos add different things that will be in their environments to match the nature of their home countries. These include plants, rocks, rivers and ponds. Zoos may also have indoor and outdoor places for animals to stay depending on the weather. If it is too cold, they would be moved indoors to more warmer places, and if it is too hot, they would be moved outside. In conclusion to our overarching question, zoos really do help these animals to adapt to change in the environment by creating a safer and recognisable space in which the animals can live. Thank you for joining me today. Goodbye.